Riveridge is a grower, packer, cider maker, and marketer based in Michigan. We grow apples and market the fruit from nearly 200 local, multi-generational family orchards to order. Additionally, sweet cherries, peaches, and Midwest vegetables can be found under the Riveridge label. Our fruit is picked by hand and then sorted with technology to ensure the best pack is available to consumers. Innovative growing techniques and preparations for seasonal fluctuations are key. Food safety is a top priority. We keep current with the latest technology and utilize 100% computerized sorting. Protecting pollinators and maintaining the health of resources is vital. Our mission is to provide the best quality produce.